Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today is another day in the life. We're going to take you along today as we go and look at some things related to the swimming pool that we're hoping to install in the backyard. So we're going to go talk with a company this morning and look at the drawings and things that they have prepared. So we're pretty excited. We're getting ready to go get some breakfast at Starbucks and then head to, I think, Bluffton to go meet with the pool company. Gary and Katie just went into Starbucks, got our coffees.
One egg bite.
I'm trying to hand you your drink.
Thank you, Sophie. So we're heading to Bluffton to a company called Year Round Pools. They had come out a few weeks back and looked at the backyard and listened to what we were looking for. We're going out there this morning to take a look at the design that they have put together for us. Sophie, hiccups?
Yeah.
Do I need to scare you to get them?
No.
Our meeting at the pool place, and then we went to Target. So now we're heading to Publix. We need to get some coffee and a couple other things. Gary's parents are coming today, so we gotta go pick them up and get them a pass to get in the neighborhood in a little bit. But the pool situation was a little bit overwhelming. There's a lot of choices to make. It kind of reminds me of like building a house where you think you know what you want and then you've got to come up with like all these decisions. So it was a little bit overwhelming, but we did like his design that he came up with.
It does remind me of when we built a home from the start and picking all the different stuff and all the choices and things of that nature can get overwhelming. But the design was promising for sure.
Yeah.
I think we took a picture of that, didn't we?
Yeah.
I can share that, possibly.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a process. Like the last time we built a pool, what was it, 9-10 years ago maybe?
It was a long time ago, and it was
so much. It was so less.
Well, it was a vinyl pool, so really all you were picking was the vinyl liner.
The liner, yeah.
And then the shape
coping,
of the pool.
The coping.
But the coping was like either gray or white or tan, I think. It wasn't like a material selection.
Yeah, this is so much different. I think it also probably has a lot to do too with the fact that we're in Hilton Head.
Yes.
A little more elaborate.
Right. I think the weather's been kind of weird lately. I've been joking that we're in the rainy season, but I think we actually are in the rainy season down here. So it's already rained once today. And then it got really steamy, and now it feels a lot cooler, so it looks like it could rain again at any moment.
You want to hold hands? Sure. Like this.
friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below. Just got an email from Amazon. Sophie's bed order was canceled. So after all this time, because we ordered it before we even moved, and it was supposed to be here around Labor Day, and around Labor Day we got an email saying that it had shipped, and the new arrival date was like September 17th, so it was supposed to be here next week. And now we just got another email just saying that they canceled it because it wasn't available, which is weird because we had gotten an order saying that it was shipped and giving us tracking information. So now Sophie's bed has been canceled. So we've got to figure out where to get her a bed. The poor child. We finished her room and all we needed was her bed. Actually, Sophie's room is further along than anybody else's except for the one thing. As we put all of her stuff on the walls and all that this past week. So now I've got to figure out where to get her a bed. I'm trying to get her a twin bed that has a trundle that can pull out underneath it. So we don't want a box spring or anything like that. We have 2 twin mattresses that we already have, and I just want a bed that has a trundle, which gives us a place for one more child if we have visitors. Like if our niece comes or something like that, it gives us the ability to have one more child sleep in that room. So frustrating. I don't even know where to look.
Guess what?
What, baby?
I'm mad my day like this now.
I know, I'm sad about it. I'm not mad, but I am sad.
I really want to come.
She's been sleeping on 2 mattresses.
We just got back from Publix and Target, and we just had some lunch. Sophie's taking her vitamin C. She's not very happy about it.
I'm gonna say I don't want it.
Don't like it. What did you have for lunch, Sophie?
I have dumpling and soup.
Yeah, you did. So this is the diagram that they showed us today for our pool. And so we're still meeting with a couple of other companies, but this is kind of what we're looking for. So I thought I'd show you. And this is our back deck that we currently have. This is actually the screen porch. So it would be kind of centered from the screen porch over to the other side of the deck in our backyard. So it's gonna take most of our backyard because we don't have a super big backyard. I'll show you. All right, so it would come to about over where this pine straw is. I think this magnolia tree would have to be pulled up, and it would come from here over through just past where these trees are. It would be that center area. I think there might still be a little bit of grass left, or they might have to reposition where the grass goes. Here's my flowers that I got at Publix. I actually broke the vase I was gonna put them in, and then I decided to try to put them in that galvanized container over there, and it was leaking water. So I ended up just using a mason jar, but we got these at Publix. And it brings a little bit of fall to the house.
So we're getting ready to go meet my parents outside the gate to bring them back to the house.
Nina and Pop are here.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
I hope you guys the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Bye.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know